US crude achieved 89.4 yesterday and then reversed and now trading at 87.7. At the same time, NG trading with a drop. Remember, yesterday I told you for NG that possibly we may see it consolidating a little till 5.8, 5.7 levels, and see precisely it has achieved. Likewise, US crude has to achieve the levels at 89.2 and reverse since then. Now, I hope you all profited. Now, what can be expected today? Which position you should take and at what levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel and missing on the profit, so do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. Remember, do watch till the end. First we'll look into US crude followed with NG. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels, and trading as per the levels, certainly you can benefit. So just stick to the levels and trade as per that, and please put a stop loss and put a trailing stop loss. Let's start. First we'll look into our, now see on the hourly charts a little drop. See this 88.7 levels, then a little drop, then 88.2 again consolidation, then a drop. Now see, certainly 87 levels are going to be very good support, and only if it trades below this zone at 87.2 you can expect that we may see a little drop. 86.7, 86 levels to be seen if it trades below 87.2. So yes, below 87.2 you can take a sell entry, and yes, you can find out 87 also a little support, but yes, I will expect 86.7, 86 levels to be seen if it continues to trade below 87 levels. Also on the downside, then there below 87 there will be little more to cover. See 86 first destination, and then it will try to come back till towards 85 levels. Be cautious. At the same time, trading above 88.2 you can buy there at 88.2 and expect it to rise more. So in sum, do not trade for this $1, that is 87.2 and 88.2. Now look, the directional movement has taken over a crossover for a bullish move, you can say bearish move, and see the stochastic is trading oversold, and hence possibly a reversal from here can be expected. But look at the MACD, this is trading divergent, this is trading bearish, increasing candle size. Still it has not shown a sign of consolidation, and hence it is still indicating little bearishness. RSI looking downwards too. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, 88.2 should be a good level beyond which you can expect little more. But certainly one to be observed that the rally started from here. You can say this was the phase of consolidation, little drop or rise, and it has again come back to the same levels, and hence the possibility of it to drop on downside exists. If it drops below 87.2, certainly you can take a sell position, and then there is a lot much to cover. On the downside you can expect 86.7, 86 and 85.5 as the greater support on the downside. At the same time, if you take a buy position at 88.2, that should be a good, and beyond that we can expect 88.8, 89.2, 89.4, which is also a pivot number for the day, which is also a double top level for the day. So yes, above 88.2 possibility of a rise exists, and hence again confirm that for this $1 do not trade. Directional movement trying to converge, stochastic trading oversold, and hence a possibility of a rise exists. The MACD trading with divergence, trading bearish, the candle size is still increasing and it is still scope for it to drop. RSI trading at bottom, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts it has completed the symmetry here, it has completed the higher lows here. Possibility of a reversal exists. Yes, you can buy there at 88.2, expect it to rise more. Directional movement bullish trying to converge here, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is on the verge of a bearish crossover, be careful there. MACD is on the verge of a bearish crossover, and RSI is looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. So these two if combined together indicating little bearishness. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see 3 red candles completing the journey here. Yes, if you see it trading below 87.2, you can take a sell position for 86.7, very strong support at 86.7 levels, and then if it drops below you can expect 86.2, and rather I will say 86 and 85.5 levels should come into the rescue. That is going to be a very good support, and then below that 85 definitely a very strong support. Directional movement bullish trying to converge, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is in green but it is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI looking downwards here. Likewise on the daily charts, if you look at on the daily charts, it is a candle of indecision. See, day before it has given a breakout, it has achieved the highs and now trying to retrace it completely. Now I'll wait for the next candle. If next candle begins and takes it over 88.2, you can certainly expect 88.2, 89.2, 89.4, and then beyond that we can see it hitting 90 levels. 90 is going to be the prime resistance. This is also 100 period moving average which is there, which is not only simple but exponential moving average 100 period, which is going to give it a very strong resistance. Be careful at 90. If it continues to trade above 88.2, certainly we can see little more rise. It is showing a bullish crossover on the directional movement, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD has just crossed over 2 candles back, and can show you a third green candle, hence possibility of a bullishness exist and RSI trading flat. So for the day, sell below 87.2, buy above 88.2 for this $1. Do not trade, be cautious, and you have to trade with stop loss till 89.4, $90. You have to trade with a trailing stop loss, as it can reverse also. It can show you a good swing also on the downside till 87 levels, and below that certainly till 85 you have to trade with a trailing stop loss, so that in case of a reversal we have to be prepared. See, stop loss is always your friend. Please keep a strict stop. Also, please keep shifting your stop loss to your entry price. Take 10 trades without any loss. Nobody will bother. Even you will not bother that yes, I have taken 10 trades. Maybe I have been wrong at 5 times, but see, you will improve over the times. Initially, you may be wrong 9 times, 9 out of 10 times. Then you will improve it to 6 out of 9 times. You will be right. You can say, sorry, you can say 9 failures and 1 success, and then you will improve it to 6 failures, 6 success, then you will improve it to 3 failures, 7 success, and then you will improve it further. So yes, you can take it, the trades accordingly, put your stop loss to your entry price. That will definitely give you a major boost. And yes, if you want to learn the art of reading charts and taking good entries, right entries at the right time, taking profitable trades, you can join my mentorship batch. Definitely the 16th mentorship batch, which is starting on 7th of November. The strategy slot will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details, else you can just be part of my signals group. We are trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. So reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at Now look at NG on the hourly charts. Lower highs are seen, higher lows are seen here. And yes, it is trying to trade within this. Possibly once it draws below 5.75 and 5.7 levels, you can expect more bearishness to resume, and you can expect that the fall should continue. Now see how it has behaved. A consolidation, a drop, a sharp drop, a retracement or consolidation. Now it is again resuming the trend. But remember, this zone is very important for NG till 5.7, and only if it trades below 5.7, yes, it is the long distance to cover till towards 5.4 levels. Possibility exists that we may see somewhere here at 5.5, 5.55 levels is a good support, and then 5.4 levels to be seen. So be careful of 5.7. Only if it trades below 5.7, you can expect that the bearishness to be seen. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is bearish, but at bottom here possibly it may try to converge from here. RSI is looking downwards, trying to enter into oversold zone. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise, it is shown a breakout here, and this is the second consecutive candle. Possibly it may show you further drop. Yes, you can remain short for now, and yes, for the day only bullishness to be seen if it trades beyond 5.9. So in between this zone, that is 5.7 and 5.9, we have to trade extremely cautious. This 20 cents should prove out to be a very good, you can say, consolidation zone. Right now it appears to be bearish, and possibly we may see 5.75, 5.7 levels before it tries to show you a bounce back. Direction movement is bearish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bearish, it is divergent. RSI looking downwards. And likewise, if you see the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts also, this is showing you a breakout here. And yes, this breakout may continue. This is the first red candle. Possibly second follow-up candle can appear, and hence 5.7 levels cannot be denied. Below that, see, till 5.7 one cannot confirm that it is bearish. Only below 5.7 you can expect 5.64 and 5.6 as the major support, and below 5.6 for the drop till towards 5.5, 5.4 can be seen. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. It can continue with this downward move. RSI looking downwards too. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, this is trying to show you a breakout here. Possibility exists that we may see 5.75, 5.7 levels, and yes, if it trades below, certainly more bearishness still towards 5.64, 5.6 levels can be seen. Strong bearishness can only appear if it drops below 5.7. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is looking downwards too. And now look at the daily charts. See, the new candle is yet to start, but look at the two candles. I told you lower highs, and yes, you can remain short. Only bullishness yesterday I told you is above 6.24, failed to breach past. It is still giving you higher lows, and possibly when the next candle start, and if it draws below 5.7, then you can expect more bearishness to be seen. We can expect 5.4, 5.5, 5.5, 5.45 levels to be seen there. Directional movement bearish, and it is diverging. Stochastic is at high, extremely overbought. MACD is in green. RSI looking downwards. Considering this for the day, see, only buy position today I will recommend is above 5.9. Only sell position is below 5.7. Yes, these are the 20 cents in which you have to remain cautious. If possible, those who are willing to take a risky trade, you can enter at 5.82 and then expect 5.88, 5.92 levels. There's stronger resistance. Beyond that, it will fly for 6.1 levels. And on the downside, you can sell there at 5.7 levels. Below 5.7, certainly more bearishness still towards 5.64, 5.6, 5.5, 5.4 to be seen. So sell at 5.7, and risky traders buy at 5.82. Safe traders buy at 5.88 or 5.92 zone. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.